Hey, a fun fact about dieting and about my nutrition coaching, and that is that it's often not about the food at all. In fact, people, women in particular, because that's whom I work with the most, need to know the correct quantities and quality of food that you need to ingest, and I provide that. And women need nutritional suggestions on how to ease the symptoms of menopause, which I'll provide. Maybe some food timing and food prep tips, which again I'll provide. And maybe time tested and proven science backed personalized nutrition coaching, which I will provide. That is great. That's what women need. But most of all, there's so much more to it because there's such a connection between emotions and food. There's so much associated with eating that sometimes we spend time peeling back the layers of what's going on with our behavior, the root causes of why we do what we do. So oftentimes we need to figure out, why are we self-sabotaging ourselves? Or how can we provide some self-care strategies to navigate the chaos of life? Or my job as a coach is to help connect the dots between emotions, food triggers, behaviors, and then connect the dots between intake and how we feel, and then the results that come of that. And so I view nutrition coaching, or you're going on a diet, as sort of a path of self-discovery. And oftentimes we can't see the big picture when we're in the frame. So having someone on the outside holding up a mirror and asking the right questions helps people discover why they do the things they do. And then once they become educated in terms of just general nutritional principles, say for example, why not to eat just straight carbs, or just simple facts like that, and then spin that together with their personalized, like what's going on in their life, how they handle stress, what's happening when they sleep or don't sleep, all those kinds of things. That's what helps to get the results. Because let me tell you, your body does not want to be unhealthy. Your body wants, your knees don't want you to be carrying extra weight. Your heart doesn't want you to be having extra weight. So when we fix it from the inside out, when we repair the metabolism by not actually going on a diet, but by cleaning up nutrition and fixing the metabolism first, then it makes it easier to drop that weight. So if you need some help with connecting the dots between what you're eating, why you're eating, when you're eating, what you should be eating, and if you need some help with that, I'm your girl on Instagram. Hit me up in the DM, or go to the link in my bio, and on Facebook I'll have a link for you to fill out a questionnaire to get started, to see if we would be a good fit to work together. Because honestly, like I said, dieting is often not about the food. There's so much more that goes into your nutrition that sometimes we don't even think about. So something to think about. All right, have an awesome day.